Cousin Joey, what you in here do?
What you mean, cuz I'm eating cereal? What y'all call it? Oh yeah, cornflakes.
Okay, you eat cornflakes, but why you eat it out of that?
What you mean? I found a cereal bowl under the bed. Don't worry, I wash it out before I use it. I ain't nasty like you. Leaving cereal bowls under the bed and stuff. That's dirty work.
I'm not serious about that, Joey. I want chimney.
Wait. What? What's a chimney?
Nah, man, me not tell you that. Cause me no want get banned. You better Google it.
Use it to do what?
Who nasty no?
Calling my mom's, fam. Mom, why you keep sending me to Auntie Mavis and Cousin Junior house? First they robbed me, take my chain, now I'm in out a porta potty. You at a resort in Montego Bay? That don't allow kids? Ma, you wildin'.
Boy, what can go so? One ipa pasa.
You ain't about to crash out, son, no cap, son.
Alright then, crash dummy. You better wear your helmet. No cap, son.